Hi, my name is Marvin M. Feliciano, Human Anatomy and Physiology teacher. Today I'm going to discuss different blood vessels on our body. But the main focus of our discussion will only be limited sa kung ano yung blood na dumadaloy sa mga blood vessels, whether oxygenated or deoxygenated blood. So let's start our discussion. Veins, nahahati pa yun sa dalawa. We have the vena cava. Vena cava is considered as the largest vein in the body that can be found in the heart. So vena cava, on its upper part, it is located there, the superior vena cava. And then on the lower part, inferior vena cava. So this is considered to be as the largest vein. If we have the largest, we also have the smallest vein. We call them as the venules. So the veins, all of them, including the vena cava and venules, they receive what type of blood? So they receive the oxygenated or oxygen poor na blood. So ibig sabihin, walang oxygen na kumapit sa blood. Next, let's talk about the arteries. Arteries, we also have the largest artery named as the aorta that can also be found in the heart. So the aorta is classified into two. We have the ascending aorta and then we have the descending aorta. And if we have the largest artery, we also have the smallest artery. Ang name niya ay natawagin natin na arterioles. So both arterioles and aorta, they receive what type of blood? They receive oxygenated blood or oxygen-rich na blood. Now, let's proceed on the capillaries. Capillaries, we will classify pa yung capillaries into two. No? The first one is the what we call as the pulmonary capillaries, and then body, or tawagin natin siyang systemic capillaries. Mahalaga yung role ng capillaries sa katawan natin. Ang capillaries na pulmonary, ang trabaho niya or main function ng pulmonary capillaries ay oxygenation. So, when we inhale, the oxygen enters to the blood, okay, at kumakapit yung oxygen na yun sa hemoglobin, kaya nagiging oxygenated yung blood sa pulmonary capillaries. Pero pagdating sa body capillaries, hindi na oxygenation yung nagaganap. Ang nangyayari, aside from yung nutrients na di-deliver na sa buong katawan natin, dito na nagiging deoxygenated yung blood natin. So, nagkakaroon na dito ng distribution of oxygen. So, ayun yung main na pinagkaiba nilang dalawa. Now, let's talk about the pulmonary. Ano yung tinutukoy natin sa pulmonary? It could be in the form of pulmonary veins or pulmonary arteries. So, we found out that the veins receive deoxygenated blood and arteries receive oxygenated blood. Ngayon, there is an exemption regarding this. Kapag pulmonary ang salita, it is directly connected in the heart. Papunta na yan sa lungs. So if it is veins, ang natatanggap niya na blood ay oxygenated blood. Kapag naman pulmonary arteries, deoxygenated blood. Again, don't get confused about the veins and the arteries pagdating dito. Kasi since ito ay pulmonary, sila ay exemption. Now let's talk about the coronary. Ang coronary, guys, this is a blood supply, mainly, particularly in the heart. So it has also veins. So coronary veins, or tinatawag din na coronary sinus, and then coronary arteries. So typically, since ito ay veins, ang natatanggap niya na blood ay deoxygenated, and then itong coronary artery ay oxygenated blood. Alright? So I hope that the discussion is clear, and I hope that you learned something today. Thank you.